Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. In this video we will speak about how to start your project from template. We speak before about template from here. And we say we need to make a new template from here and we will start Revit Architecture template. I click OK. I click OK, he will open a project. This project not have name. He have a project and he give number for it. So if I make save from here, he will make save as. Why? Because I don't save this project before. So I will write it project arc project. Before I close this one, I go to option. Here he speak about maximum backup. Backup is very important because you make work and after this you will make another work. If you need to cancel this work, you can get it by the backup file. You don't make modify on it. So the maximum for it, I think 3 is okay. You can click and okay. We will make save from here. Take care. He will give here Architecture Pro. And when I make save, he will make save, not save as. If I need to save this file as, I can go here and click save as project and go here. Take care. After Architecture project, he make Architecture project 1. This is the backup. After this, he will give you 2 and 3 because we make maximum backup 3. If we make 4, he will give you 4 1. So I need to make save as. Here I will give another name and make save if I need to make save as. For me, I don't need to make this. After this, the first thing you go to manage and go to under setting tab, you go to project units. From here you can change this if you need to make millimeter or meter or by feet as you need. Here he give you the round decimal. For me, I will take 2 decimal and he give here the indication for what you need. If you need to put millimeter unit, it's according to this. If you make meter, he will give here meter, or you can make this millimeter, and for this you can make none as you need. Okay, after this I will make okay. If I need to change anything here about area and anything, he will be the same concept for you. Here is the common, and if you work as architecture or structure, you can change also. After this, you can go to project information. Project information, here he give you some thing you need to make edit. You can make edit for this in the first of project or in any time. But if you go to this sheet and double click, it will open for you. Take care what you will edit here in the project information. It will be edit here. Take care this project issue. If I make anything issue date, I will make 2002 as example. Make okay. We will change here. Take care and everything you will make edit here. He will update project number as example. I will make like this. We will make here scale and other thing you can change by the same concept. Okay, or you can double click here and make edit. It will be update inside manage project information. There is another thing we need to speak about is additional setting, and we will speak about it because it's have too much thing you can make edit for it. The location here, I don't have internet. If you have internet, you will write your address here or the coordination for the point. After this, you will make it directly. Okay, this everything we need to speak about in this video. See you in another video. Thank you.